Assalamualaikum everyone. Hi to all. How are you? Today I am making a video using Excel. Inside that one I already made part first for it mm, for beginners, and this one second one using different type of function and formula in uh, Excel. How we will use today? We will use the function and formula here. Serial number, roll number, name of student, and also I will give you the hints about how we will format the text and the numbers, these type of things. English, maths, computer, chemistry, Urdu, and also we can use other subject, Islamiyat. We are making the DMC here. Going to make Pakistan studies, and the other one physics. Here we will go for 10 marks of 10. Of 10. Here percentage, and here grade. Okay, now we are making the formatting for it. If you want to give the space between these, you can 2 3 for space just like that. I am going to write here detail marks certificate. Get off. Okay, first we will merge this one, all merge. How we will merge? Click here or merge. You want to increase the size, you can. After that you can change color, background color and font color. We can bold this one and italic if you want. You want to change that one, calibri to any other one, you can, which you like. I want to increase the size of this one only till 12 or 14, and bold, italic, and also I give that one different color to that one. Okay, I give it a border, thick border to it. Okay, here I am making the column and that one border here. I can thick border outsider and this one insider. We are using all borders. Okay, now it is not visible. Only simple you will click here, double click, right? We'll give some space between these, right? Give the space. I want to change this one, F2 you can press, and you will capital letter you can use. Okay, now this one we will go for wrap text. It will give a space between these two, right? It's like that. You want to center line, you will select this one and center line. These both we can use, center line. Okay, now I write here for serial number 1, roll number this one, and after I write here a name, name here, F2 I will press, and I write here name. Okay, English paper marks for them 78 and 89, computer marks 99, and chemistry marks 67, Urdu marks 76, Islamiyat marks for example 45, Pakistani marks 87, physics marks 70. We have 8 paper. Now we are using sum function for it. Click here and sum. It will automatically sum, and drag this one. When this arrow will be this one, addition sign will become, you will drag down. Automatically it will be automatically make that one formula will be copy here. Automatically it will be copy that one. Okay, now percentage sign, you know about equal to sign, bracket, this number obtained marks multiply by asterisk sign, multiply by how much, 100, and bracket sign divide by total marks. Now you can find out 76. Okay, now we will copy this one. You will drag down. When this addition sign comes, drag down, it will be copy. Okay, now we are going to write the formula or function for the find the grading. If condition, if what this percentage is greater than equal to how much, for example 80, now you will give a star or a plus, right, and quotation. Then we will go for again comma, again if condition, bracket sign, this number means this cell reference is greater than equal to now 70. We will give a grade to it. After that again if condition, if again this cell reference, this percentage is greater than equal to how much, 60. Now we will give him how much, which grade, B grade. Again double quotation, comma, and if condition, this one again 09 cell number or percentage is greater than equal to 50. Now we will give which grade, C grade. Okay, again comma, and if condition again this percentage is greater than equal to 40, comma, we will give D grade. Now comma, if again if bracket sign, this percentage is greater than equal to 33, give E grade, else we will give U grade or fail. We will give double quotation here, fail, and double quotation close, and we will assign the bracket. How many brackets we have? 3 4 6. We will enter here. Now it will display A grade now, right? We will go there again. We will enter here some record here, record number 2, any number, and here I write this one, 56, 33, 77, 44, 33, 99, 87, and 88. Now you can see here, now it will be automatically make that one formula here, right? We will put here now this one. Okay, we will take it, that one, copy that one, 71. Now how we will replicate this one? You will click here and select that one and drag down. Automatically it will be copy. Alright. If you want to increase this one in 99, you will see that one grade will be automatically changed. 99, 99, you will see 99. Now automatically it will be changed. We will go there and we will write here again the different for 3 number, any roll number. We will write here, right, different number. Now we will see it automatically copy that one. Okay, now how we will find the maximum and minimum number of that? If I delete from here that one, right, I want to write here, okay, maximum number or min number. Means if you have large amount of data, you want to find maximum number. Simple that one. When you click here, or if you want to write by yourself, you can click here and select the cell reference, which cell number you want, then you will click here maximum. Okay, after that minimum. Again here, if you want to write by yourself, you can, and bracket sign, and you will select that one. Now which one is the minimum? 34 minimum, this one maximum. If you drag this one, this addition sign come, and you will drag in right side. Now you will find out the maximum number. If you click here and you will drag here from the last till last, you will find out the maximum. Alright. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care, subscribe my channel and also click on bell icon. You will find out a different type of video which I will upload it here, and we will make